Ministry ya ICT yandikithitie ciiko bilioni 1.7 cia igeria ria guthoga ukinyaniria wa motungata ma thirikari maria makinyanagirio nenda-ini kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu.
About 1.7 billion threats have been identified. That means now those threats are bound to increase in numbers, because the more you digitize, the more you bring the services on board or on the digital platforms, the more the threats increase and the more the threats continue changing. So I think with that increasing threats, we need to have in place proper systems, mechanisms and tools that protect our data, or government data for that matter, so that the government information as well as the citizens of this country are both protected from cyber crimes and cyber attacks and cyber threats.
No ona thengia ya nditi ino gukinyiria riu thirikari ni hotete guthamiria makiria ya motungata 17,000 mitambo-ini ya kiriu na beno igitanyo kuongerereka makiria mwaka ukite.
Government is in the process of laying 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic within the government of Kenya, within the boundaries of the Republic of Kenya. Out of that, so far I think 18,000 kilometers of fiber optic has already been laid. And as far as the onboarding of government services is concerned, about 17,000 government services have already been onboarded and they can be accessed online. And quite a number of digital hubs have been put up across the country, as well as the digital hotspots and Wi-Fi's.
Kuringana na Eunice Omar, afitha ministry-ini ya ICT, thirikari ni irutire gutigirira a Kenya aingĩ ota uria kwahoteka mari na umenyo wa kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu na oho gutigirira icigo nyingi bururi-ini cire na ukinyaniria wa mitambo ya internet.
And as far as the milestones are concerned, we need to ensure that about 20 million Kenyans are going to be trained or the capacity built, and as far as digitizing of the government services is concerned. So
ona kuhanura uguo ministry ya ICT ni gwetete maundu ngurani maria makoretwo makihinga ukinyaniria wa imwe cia tabarira sekta-ini no.
In Palestine and the war with the Palestine-Israel war affects us as a country in Kenya, and also affects organizations. You'll find there are some companies that probably have support from companies, say, based in Israel or based in Palestine, that are now being affected in terms of their operational resilience. But over and above that, in terms of the economy, we also suffer in some sense.
Kameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadirwa.